Hey peeps, what's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no beer.
Alright y'all, so for today's video, as you guys can see, I got my first Influenster box. So for those of you guys who don't know what Influenster is, it is an app, or you can use it on your laptop and computer as well. It's also a website where you can review a whole bunch of products and they'll send you like free things in the mail. Like for me, I got this thing called Sleek Makeup. So, and you can test out their products, leave reviews, and the more reviews you leave, then the more likely they are to send you more free products. And not only that, but if you connect all your social medias, let's say the higher your fan base is, or like your supporters or your followers are, then the bigger the boxes that they send you and the more out of the thing. Right now, my supporters on Instagram is at like about between, I think, 800 or 1,000. I haven't been on there in a while. And on Twitter, I don't have that many, but on Facebook, I have a good amount of friends as well. And like, you know, my YouTube channel is constantly growing. So they sent me a box, and I also did a lot of reviews. I think I'm at like, instead of me talking, let me just show you guys, you know, what the website and the app look like, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like. Over here is the search place where you put, like, you could type in items that you used before, like whether it's foundation or a beauty product like soap, or like hair products. Like there's so many different type of products to use. Here's my profile. That's my picture. Y'all know your girl, she cute. I am currently at 849 impact, so that's based on like the reviews that I've done and my how do you call that, my, what's the word for that, all my social medias that I've connected as well. So let me go ahead and click on impact, which is at 849, and as you guys can see, I get the 849 from my Instagram. So you can also connect your Facebook, your Twitter, your YouTube. My YouTube is connected, but it seems like it's not, so I'm gonna click reconnect. There's my, you can connect your Tumblr, your Foursquare. I don't know what a Foursquare is. Your Google Plus, your Pinterest, your Connect Badger, like a whole bunch of different sites or whatever. And right now my impact score is 149 because I connected my Instagram. So now here are all the reviews that I've done. I've done 27 reviews so far on certain products like lashes and foundations that I've used, and eyebrow pencils, and like soaps and hair products. And like when you wanna like do a review or like post a review on something, or you can like try campaigns. Like right now they have a cozy challenge ritual Vox campaign. So like they'll probably give you like cold points, or like you know, send you a box for that. They got the sleek one. I've already done that. That's the one that they sent me today. They also got Influencer 101 campaign. So these are like the different campaigns that they have, so that you can like try to qualify for a box. Now these are called snaps. With the snaps, basically with my snaps, you have like different questions that they ask you, like product review, general information. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. I have parenting on there because obviously I'm a parent. I got skincare because I use skincare products, makeup, food, shopping, personal finance, nails, hair care, home care, health, blah 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 blah. So basically they ask you about these things before they send you a box, or before they send you like on certain campaigns, so that way they can know like what type of things to send you and what type of things that you use and what you'll be reviewing, so that they're not sending you stuff that you're like not interested in. Okay, so that's basically the whole gist of it all. I hope that didn't take up too much of your time. Now let's get straight into the box. I'm kind of excited. I haven't opened the box yet. As you guys can see, it's still closed, you know, packaging and everything. I have not opened it yet, so I'm like pretty excited about opening it. But the thing is, I don't think there's like much in there. It's probably like, you know, simple makeup stuff, like maybe like an eyebrow shadow or eyebrow pencil. But whatever is in there, I'm gonna be using it for my makeup look today. And whatever's not in there, I'm gonna be using my own products. And I will be leaving a review once I'm done using it. And you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below about all the products that I use. So hopefully, you know, we can get this to open. Okay, so right here says discover, review, share, get the app now. I'm gonna let you guys see before me. Okay. All right, so they send me a highlighting palette, which is gonna be hard for me today because, as y'all know, your girl don't highlight. I got a natural glow, so you know, ain't no need for no highlighting. Let me stop. It's called Cleopatra's Kiss. Focus on that. Okay, and it's like more like a nudish, like goldish, pinkish, like more nudish highlight tone. I know they have like highlights that kind of look like blush, so it's like more of a nudish tone, like the goldish, like be like the real golden highlights. That's what it looked like off the box. And they sent me an eyeshadow palette. It's called Vintage Romance. All right, so let's see what we're working with here. Oh, it's a cute box. Here's what it looks like. Sleek makeup palette. Okay. Oh, I like these colors. I'm not gonna lie. Especially this gold right here. It's like a rose gold. Y'all see that? That's nice. I like those colors. Oh my god, I love the highlight palette. Look at that gold, y'all. Y'all see that reflection? My god. I can see myself. Oh, bussin'. Take a look at that. Like this up here and that right here looks like a velvet type of material. So I'm not sure how it would look like on the phone. And you got these that are like simple matte, like regular highlighters. So I'm not sure how these are gonna look on the face, but I'm gonna try those today since they're the ones that look kind of weird. They look like they pop a little bit more than the other two. So, oh, and I got a mirror, so I'm gonna be glowing it up. All right, guys. So I already got my contacts in, but I forgot to show you guys. They sent me a sleek fierce felt liner. It's in Zodiac Black. So they sent me an eyeliner as well. Alright, y'all. So your girl is back like she never left. Damn, this autofocus just won't let me be great. They sent this typical eyeshadow brush, but I don't think I'm gonna use that, and I cannot find my eyeshadow brush. Just use this brush to conceal. So I guess I'm gonna just use it for eyeshadow too. I'm gonna just try to get all the concealer off by putting it on my eyelids, like a, I guess a primer, and then I'll go in with the shadows. So I haven't decided like what color I want to do exactly. So like I'm gonna try to like look at you guys and use it at the same time, because y'all know I have a bad habit of looking down. So I haven't decided what color yet. Like I want to do like a mix and match, but I know that I'm not good. Is this lighting better? No. Is this better? I don't know. I know I'm not good with like mixing and matching my eyeshadows yet. I'm not that great yet. So I usually just stick to like one color. But I want to try like, I don't know if they do like the darker on the lids and the lighter on the outside, or the lighter on the lids and then the darker on the outside. I don't know, like I want to do like a transition color. I just want to see what these colors look like first. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. I think I'm liking this. I might do this with my finger. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but no lie, Sleek ain't lying to y'all. This palette is really pigmented. Because I did that with my finger and I'm already getting the color on my legs. So I think I'm gonna do a pinkish gold because that's what's calling my name. Let's see how this pink look. Okay, not bad, not bad. It's not as pigmented I would like, but I don't know if that's because I have like the gold already at the bottom. So we're gonna try to get it a little bit more pigmented and see if we can get like the color that I'm going for here. You see that pink though? That's coming out quite nicely. I wish the pink was a little bit brighter though, I would say that, but this is like the lightest pink that I have in the palette. I like how it's looking though, like the pigmentation is really nice, y'all. Like y'all see that pigment? Like that, the pigmentation on this palette is really, it's really good. Well, we're going for a broad look today. Y'all know I like the nice and simple. I don't do broad, so. All right, now, there we got this pink out of the way. Now I'm trying to determine which gold I want to do. I want to do like this champagne gold or this darker gold over here. I think I'm gonna go with the champagne gold because the champagne gold is bright. It's alright, but it's not like coming out like how I would want it. If you guys get my drift. Like I feel like my Dollar Tree loose shadows are doing a way better job than this color right now. I'm gonna try another dab. It does have a lot of fallout. I'll say that. Like, in order to have gotten this gold to pop, I had to use a lot of eyeshadow. Like, I had to dip and dab in it a lot to get this gold to pop out like the way it is. As you guys can see how messy the palette looks. It does have a lot of where's my pen? It does has a lot of fallout. Like, the shadow has a lot of fallout, which I'm not a big fan of, but these are how these eyes are looking. I like the color. I like the purple at the top, especially with the gold at the bottom. I feel like it's a nice transition into each other. I want to blend it out a little bit, like, so it can really look like it's transitioning. It's alright, but I think it's only alright because it's me doing it. Once I get like better with my eyeshadowing, I think it'll look a bit much better. But the pigmentation is there. What I can suggest is that if you're gonna do like a transition color, don't put the color on your lids if you want a different color on your lids, because it's hard to cover it with another color. So the pigmentation is there if it's like on skin, but if you already have another color under that color, it makes it a little bit harder for the color to pop out on top of that color. So yeah, but I'm okay. I'm gonna put some highlight in the inside the corner of my eyes and on my cheeks. I know it comes with a brush, but I don't really like the brush that it comes with. It comes with this like really thick brush, so I'm not sure how that's gonna get in the corner of my eyes, but we're gonna razzle that. I'm gonna use some of this gold right here for the inner corner of my eye. Y'all see that? It's popping. It's popping. It's popping. It ain't stopping. Oh, oh, oh. Probably a little bit too much pop, but me vale verga. I'm gonna go put some of this on my eyelid and get my eyelid to pop a little bit more. Alright, so first things first, right? The texture, oh my god, I'm loving this on my eyelid, y'all. I'm loving this on my eyelid. Y'all see that? Look at the difference between this pop and that pop. Y'all see how much popper this is? I love it. I love it. Now, for one, the texture of this highlighter, it's like creamy. It's like a cream. It's like a cream base. Like, it's like a really creamy. Like, it's not like regular powdered highlighter where it's like a powder. It's really creamy, y'all. And I'm loving it on my eyelids. It's gonna pop. I don't like this brush though, but why are you interrupting? Oh, you can take it now.
That motherfucker look a fish. Don't look at that, yo.
Can you stop?
No.
It's not giving me that like the highlight. Like, y'all know the like. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like the highlight glowy effect. Like, you see, like, if anything, it makes my face look ashy, which I hate when my face looks ashy, but it makes my face look mad ashy. So we're gonna try to cover that up with some foundation. So the eyeliner is bomb. It's really easy to use. Like, it's easier than my liquid liner and all my other eyeliners. Like really easy to use, y'all. Cause I guess because of the point makes it so easy to use. It's basically like using a pen on your eyelids. So yeah, and let's see how long it lasts. Do some mascara. So this is the finished touch, the finished look. I want to also say thank you to Influenster for giving me the opportunity. To try sleek makeup. The products were pretty good. The eyeshadow I love. Despite the fact that it has like a lot of fallout, and like I said, you might not want to put anything under the base when using it. That way you can get the pigmentation that you're looking for and you don't have to keep putting it over and over again. The highlight I'll use as eyeshadow, but not really as cheekbone, because it's not popping. It's just not popping. So, but overall it's good. The eyeliner is perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. It's like using a pen on your eye, but I kind of rushed it, so it might look crazy, but who don't look crazy sometimes? Okay, I'm still cute. still cute. And don't forget to comment under every video. I have not found one person yet that commented under every vlogmas video saying that they're watching it so they can get that iPad. Not one person, not one. Y'all missing out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend, so they can tell a friend, so they can tell another friend, so that friend can come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps. This is